Welcome back again, everyone. I am showing you in this video how to record your Android app to turn it into Canvas. I also showed you how to do this in the Chapter 1 video, but I thought I'd better make a separate video about recording. Now, as I said in that other video, there is a built-in recording tool in Android Studio you can use. However, if you prefer to use your own recording tool, like the Xbox tool that's built into Windows or something else, that is perfectly fine. You do not have to use the tool I'm going to show you, but it is an option. What you're looking at on the screen over here on the right is my project that is currently running. If I want to make a recording of it, I come up here to this line, starting with the power button, and move over to the right. There's a button with a camera that says take screenshot. We don't want that. We do not want a screenshot. We want an actual video recording. So go to the next icon that looks like a video camera, which says record screen. I will click it. And here you have your screen recorder options. You don't need to change the bit rate or the resolution. They're fine as they are. And this recorder will generate a web movie file. That's WEBM. That's the format that it will generate. Other recording tools might generate an MP4. Others might generate an MOV or movie file. Any of those formats is perfectly fine. Canvas accepts all of them. So just get a recording. I will click the Start Recording button, and this little screen pops up that has a timer that shows me how long I'm recording. Well, I only need about 5 or 6 seconds of this, so I'll stop the recording right now. Now it tells me where do I want this. So I will select my USB drive, and I will give this a new name. I'll say COSP230. I'll call it Chapter 1, and I'll put my initials on it, KM. That's always a good habit, so I know it's you. And then I'll click OK. I get a pop-up that says record screen, video recording saved at that location. And if I want to look at it, I click the open button. And it brings up the Windows Media Player, and there's my recording. All glorious 7 seconds of it. Okay, that is how you record your app in Android Studio. If you have any questions, please send me an email at kmuldrow@lbcc.edu.